Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to mute someone on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner. And tap on my friends and long press the Snapchat user whom you want to mute, and tap on chat settings. And to mute the user, simply toggle off these message notifications. Also, you can disable games and mini notification by toggle off this option, and tap on done. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.